Hello, everyone. My name is Paul, and we are here in Düsseldorf, Germany for MEDICA. Joining me is our Director of Sales of Lasermet Europe, Johannes Hollender. Johannes,
Welcome, Paul.
Johannes, Lasermet does a lot of shows all around the world, but this is our first time in MEDICA. I've seen you demo our system to a lot of people. Can you tell us more about your experience?
Yeah, we're the first time at MEDICA, and we are in the medical market, just entered in continental Europe 1.5 years ago. Was our first experience, and I'm really, really happy and satisfied with the outcome so far. So we had a lot of interesting and new leads. Really, people were very astonished about our professional solution. Because all people who once have seen our system, they loved it. And so we will have a lot of business after the show for sure. Not only in Germany, but as well in Europe.
Yeah. Since we're in MEDICA and we're talking about the safety in medical environments, what challenges do these clinics usually face in terms of laser safety?
Yeah, first of all, they need, of course, to be capable to make the right risk assessment on the operating theaters with lasers. That's one. Okay, the companies, they have a laser safety officer, clear, but depending on the fast speed of development of new laser hardware products for surgery, it's of course as well very tough for them to always at any time to have the right assessment. So what safety measures for this kind of laser needs to be met? That's the first. The second is that the biggest challenge when the surgery is prepared or going to start, that is just depending on manual human interference to really meet the safety measures in the operating theater. What we do, we take the complete accountability for the safety as we provide with our interlock system a complete automated safety monitoring, meaning the safety is completely governed by the system, which is double channel and the safety level PLE, and therefore absolutely fail safe. And of course, then on the other side, the people don't need to interfere, meaning if one of the safety measures in operating theater is not met, a blind is not closed or a door is not completely closed, they simply cannot arm the laser and start the surgery. And that's simply taking the people completely the accountability on the laser safety topic. And that's really was very surprising and satisfying for the people seeing that this system is available in the market.
Yes, absolutely. And medical is just one of the many sectors we serve.
Yeah.
So for Lasermet Europe, can you tell what other industries we serve and what they can expect from us?
So it's a very easy question and a very easy answer, of course. Wherever, in which market, in which industry, or in which vertical, lasers are involved in any operation, production. So in all these cases, we have solutions to offer, and we have the capability of getting the right setup and safety measures for all these industries. For example, we have a very big footstep and market share in the science area, meaning universities and science companies, where they all use our interlock system. So we have a really high market share over there. We do as well laser safety solutions for laser manufacturers, meaning as an OEM solution. Then we have, of course, another big part, which is the big production companies, where we do, of course, the laser safety enclosures and interlock systems on the production plant, where they have the high power robots doing cutting, doing welding. This has been always our core business. We have really very big market share across Europe already. But the medical is a bit new for the market. We are pretty sure and confident that we have really the right offering for the market. That's at least what I get back as a feedback from all the talks during the fair. By the way, very enjoyed, beside the weather. And of course, the fair is not over. You can, of course, still walk by. Hall 11, H38. You're welcome for another talk.
Yep. So guys, if you want more information about our company, you can check out lasermet.com. And for more information about our shows, we do shows all around the world. You can check out lasermet.com/shows. Johannes, thank you for your time.
Okay.
Thank you.